Hey everybody, welcome back to Susan Diamond Paints. This is day 3 of the Teeny Weeny Cross Stitch Ghost Doing Stuff by Diamond Art Studio UK Limited. This is your spoiler warning, so if you do not want to see how day 3 turns out, go ahead and click off this video and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. Hey everybody, so I've got the next 10 uncovered. We have the white symbol. That's what we're going to work on. So I'm going to pour some of the whites in here. Get my pattern moved over a little bit more. There we go. Back on the search. Alright, so we are going to start here at the top corner. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to skip 2. And we're going to do 1, 2, and then we are going to skip 1. I'm going to do 1, 2. Okay, and then next row we're going to do 2. 1. Trying to push them up as much as I can. I'm pushing the pattern up too, apparently. 2. Okay, and then we're going to skip the same amount, 1, and then we're going to do 1 right here, and then 2. And then we're going to go over here to the beginning, and we're going to do 1, and then 2. And I'm going to highlight my rows now as I'm going here. So I've done the top one, and the second row. Okay, so the next row, there's none right there. So we're going to do 3 right here. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to do 1, right here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Trying to get the static ones done here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Which leaves 3. Nope, 2. So I need to do 1 more. 4. Okay. That's 3. This will be 4 right here. Let me do 4 right here. Do 1, 2. Come on. 1 more. 3. So 3 right there. So 2, 2. So 3, 2, 1, 2. I feel like I've done too many right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should only be 3. 1, 2, 3. I don't have 10. Okay, how many do I have uncovered here? 2, 4, 6, 8. No, I have 10. How am I off? I'm off. I can't figure out how. Did 3, and then, alright, 3 there. Skip 2, do 2, skip 1, do 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got too many. How am I off? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 10 though. Should be 2. That's why I can't count, y'all. I'm looking. I gotta move my cover paper because it's throwing me off. Let me move this to get it up sitting like it should for a 10. That way I won't see any extras and not count. Okay, there we go. Alright, got that right now. Okay, so I'm going to highlight all these right here so they're done. So I've done 3 and 3. Alright, so now we're going to do 4. I'm going to do 1 over, 2, 3, 4. Move them up as much as I can so they're sitting like they're supposed to. And then we're going to do 3. Come on. 1. Come on. I don't want to pick up, does it? Nope. No lava soap, nope. Shut these up. 2, 3. Alright, so these are done. And then we have 2 right here. 1, 2. I'm going to skip 1. There's 1. And then we're going to do 1 underneath it right here. Do 2. 1, 2. And then we're going to skip another one. Stop. I'm going to do 1 right here, and then we're going to skip 2 and do 1 right here. Okay, and that's all of our whites. Bow tie's going to be next because that's the predominant color next, which means I have to get into another tray. So I'm going to pour these back in. Okay. Alright, so bow tie next. Get those out. I don't know if I need that many, that's okay. Alright, so we're going to start here at the top. We're going to fill these in right here. So these are 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, then we do 2, 1, 2. Then we do 2 underneath it. 1, 2. And then we're going to do 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to do 1 right here. And we're going to skip 1. And then we're going to do another 1. And skip 1. And the next row we're going to do 2. So we do 1, 2, skipping 1 still. And then this row we're going to do 1 right here, and then 1 right here. And then we're going to come across with this one. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, oops, 4, 5, okay, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, came all the way down. Right, let me highlight these before I get myself confused again. So highlight these, this, these right here. Okay, so I'm going to use these as my guide. So we have 1 right here. Then we do 2, 1, 2. We're just going to fill these in right here, 1, 2. And we're going to go up, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That one. Okay, we're going to go up now. We're going to skip 1. I'm going to do 1. I'm going to do 1 right here. Is that wrong? 2, 3, 4. 3, and then 2. That should not be 2 right there. So let me take these 2 whites off. Let me find my tweezers. See if I can pick them off with my fingers. Oh, there's my tweezers right there. This should not be one right here. Should not be a white here. Whoops. Come here. Oop. Yep. That should be 3. 1, 2, 3. Blue. 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 Okay, let's see here. There's not one right here. Right there should be one. Okay, let's see. Make sure this is right. Do my other blue one right here. 1, 2. Okay, so we have 2 there. And then we have 1 right here. 1 right here. 1 right here. Okay, I see now. There, right there, right there. Those are all done. I'm gonna do a white, see if I can find out the white one I just threw off. Alright. So these right here, pour these back in. Come on. Put the blues back in, and they go. Okay. I'm gonna do the 2s next. That's the majority. 2s. Okay. Alright, so we are going to, there's that white. I need that one too. Put that in there. Flip that white over. So that white, alright, let me get my 2s in. So there's a 2 right here. And these are all red. Okay, the white goes right here. That's where it goes, and these are all red. Okay, so I have a 2 right here. And 1 right here. So I'm going to highlight these. That one, those 2 are done. Then I have 1 right here. And 1 right here. And those 2 right there are done. And then I have these right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 more. So we can get that one to flip. 2. It goes right there. Okay, so those are those 2s. Check those. Alright, I'm going to do red next. Red. So it's here. The red ones. Right there. Okay, so the red goes right here. So we have 1 right there. 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we have 2. 1, 2. And then 1 over. Right there. Search these. Check them out. 6. I'm going to pull out of the pot. I have diamonds. Let me do the diamonds right here since I have them. Alright, give me to search the diamond. Okay, so we have 1 right here. And then 1 above it right there. Highlight those 2, check them out. I'm going to search the 6 again. That's above. Just need 2. So we have 1. 1. And then 2. 1, 2. Yep. Okay. And then the check mark. Yep, so we'll highlight our 6s. Search the check mark. That's these 2 right here. Come on, see if I can get 2. 1, 2. Alright, those are 2. Alright, draw 2. Highlight those, highlight these 2, check the marks. Alright, so there's that 10 by 10 square with a little bit of fluffling because I messed up, but there you go. The whites are usually hard for the pattern because it just, when it's on the pattern, it's white, so it's just hard to figure out that, yes, that's white and it's done already. So in the next video, we'll have the next 10 by 10 square, and I'll talk to y'all again soon. You have a good one. Bye.